There is one weapon which can help NATO compensate for the massive buildup of Warsaw Pact armor. That weapon is Viper. The United States Congress appropriated funds in the 1981 defense budget for Viper production. Viper was developed for the U.S. Army Missile Command by General Dynamics Pomona Division. Rugged, accurate, lightweight, inexpensive, and lethal. One soldier can destroy a tank with this 9-pound weapon. It has been extensively tested. System-level tests at Redstone Arsenal demonstrated that Viper can be fired accurately. A completed qualification test series proved Viper's ruggedness against exposure to high and low temperature extremes, shock, humidity, and vibration. Human factors and operational testing by infantry troops proved Viper's ruggedness in a tactical environment. The U.S. Army Test and Evaluation Command, having determined that Viper is safe, man-rated the weapon for operational testing. Viper met its operational test requirements. Its reliability exceeded the Army requirement. Viper's high-performance rocket motor, using an advanced propellant and a lightweight fiberglass motor case, is the key to its extremely high accuracy. Its precision shaped charge warhead makes Viper more lethal than any other anti-tank weapon of comparable size and weight. Viper's low cost and light weight allow it to be issued to each soldier as a round of ammunition. The lightweight but rugged disposable launcher functions as an environmentally sealed storage and handling container. The tactical weapon requires no maintenance or spare parts support. Designed for rapid reaction, Viper is easy to fire. The gunner merely removes the aft end cap, extends the launch tube, automatically positioning the front sight, folds down the shoulder stop, arms the weapon, aims, and fires. To provide realistic low-cost training, General Dynamics has developed a tracer bullet trainer. This trainer uses inexpensive 7.62 millimeter tracer bullets, which accurately simulate the trajectory of the tactical rocket. The trainer is used to orient the gunner to the weapon, to develop his marksmanship skills, and for refresher training. Viper program offices and production facilities are located throughout the nation. These facilities are designed for an initial capacity of several thousand tactical rounds per month, and for expansion. This weapon could help to deter a potential enemy's aggressive intentions. Viper, the 9-pound man-portable weapon that can destroy an enemy tank.